Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here again at ICP. Happy Friday to you folks. This is interesting pattern here. We got this bullish backtest of this recent range-bound activity. We're also establishing higher highs and higher lows, but it's a bit on the choppy side here. This is not the greatest trading conditions here. ICP does look fairly manic, so we'll just be mindful of that. But we're going to look and see what potential we have, more so from a macro perspective of the price going up or down. ICP has shown a lot of strength recently with Bitcoin kind of having pulled back, and there's a lot of reasons why we should see the price continue further up. And this is one of those. If you take a look here, $14, heavy concentration of liquidation. Did I say heavy? Yes, I think I did. It's absolutely a lot of liquidation there. So again, folks, I think the sweep of that $14 mark would make sense here. We could see a candle wick up just to destroy any of those shorts, and the price could reverse itself. A lot of reasons why you want to be kind of careful trading this coin right now. I would just say it just seems a lot more volatile than other coins. So just a heads up on that, be careful. But big picture, this coin definitely has tremendous potential. So if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit the like button, comment below. Deeply appreciate that. And if you could, of course, definitely check out our Trading Academy community and Signals group. It's been awesome results there. I don't know if you caught this here because I do post this in my Twitter, Telegram, and TikTok now. Bitcoin results there, 33% today, 44% from OP yesterday, and of course HBAR 35% in 57 minutes. So we've caught some pretty good bangers here recently. Tried to get in on Matic, but the price continued to run, so we may not get filled on that. We'll see how that goes. Either way, is it worth getting a trade or taking a trade with ICP right now? I get that question a lot. To my community, I would say in short, no, but potentially yes here soon. Let me explain that. First of all, we're testing this point of control right now. So at 1350, closing above that would be extremely important, okay? The reason why this is important is because there's so much volume in this area that people really want to buy in, and it can work as a resistance sometimes too. So just to keep in mind, we are overextended the downside within reason. If we take a look at the moving averages though, this is where things get interesting. A lot of other coins are showing much more strength, whereas we're below pretty much every single moving average minus 200. So being under the 20-day SMA is not really a great sign, okay? Being under the 100 and the 50, another thing too, but the 20-day SMA to me personally is just kind of that trend setter on the daily, letting us know that, hey, we're either going in the right direction or we're not. So for right now, we are not going in the right direction, and at this point, it's not looking phenomenal, right? I'm not trying to downgrade it at all. ICP actually did extremely well here recently. When Bitcoin pulled back, it was holding very strong. It could still do very well. But there's not a lot of daily confirmational factors here letting us know that we're in good shape to take a trade, okay? Again, you don't have to trade on the daily, but it's an important indicator to kind of help you understand the general direction, okay? So at this point, MACD is converging. That's the only thing that we can see here that's potentially positive here. So you never take a trade only on a MACD convergence alone, okay? So just keep that in mind. Either way, it does show there's momentum, and we're starting to shift the dynamic from bearish to bullish, but we still haven't effectively broken the more recent highs here. This is going to be important to get above this 0.5 fib level. So again, a closure above $14 is absolutely necessary, okay? So if we take a look at the 4-hour, we got some decent stuff here, but again, we're kind of wavering above and below 50. Never a great sign, but generally speaking, we're over 50 for the moment. So a closure today above this 0.618 fib level at 1330, I think is a good starting point. If we close above that level, that might be a good consideration for a long. Again, not a lot of reasons on the daily to want to warrant a long position personally, but if we do take a look at the hourly, we can confirm here that the Ichimoku cloud is, we're above the cloud, right? And that's consolidating right there at that 0.618 fib level. So 1330 does reaffirm itself as a support in this regard, plus the volume just below it, okay? So there are more reasons why the price should continue higher in the short term, but we may see a larger time frame rejection at the the $14 mark. But once more, we got tons of liquidation at $14. So what do you think is going to happen here? Is the price just going to shoot through there? We should see a short squeeze? Possibly. We could just see a candle wick up to destroy all these shorts here, and then the price comes back down as if it never happened. That's a very, very common thing. So again, keep in mind, market movers, people unlike you and I, are the ones that are effectively controlling the price action here. And they love to destroy accounts, and that's kind of what they're trying to do here with some of these shorts. So just be mindful if you got a short position open, I would maybe recommend not shorting this coin for the moment. But again, is a long viable option? In short, yes, but I would say big picture, not just yet. So basically, I guess the easy way to translate that is if you're going to take a trade, or you insist on taking a trade, keep the margins tight, right? Take profit when you can, monitor the trades closely. You can't just set it and forget it in a trade like this, because there's not a lot of positive contributing factors letting us know that it's like a perfect situation. While there's very few perfect situations, this is more imperfect than perfect, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're just not there yet. I think a closure over 14, get us over that 20-day SMA on the daily, that's going to help us out a lot. Between now and then, just remain vigilant and stay patient, folks. I talk about this on my, again, if you're not familiar, I just started a TikTok account, TikTok, Twitter, and Telegram. I post, more relevant videos, if you will, on those here, just to kind of get you some information. I guess it's available on Instagram and Facebook too, but generally speaking, what I'm getting at is that I like to try to get you more information just, than just the technical analysis. While TA is important, it's a lot of those fundamentals, those things that I teach in my trading academy, those are important. Those are invaluable things that you need to kind of start utilizing. Sorry, I went on a tangent there again. Hope you understand and appreciate you watching. I deeply appreciate you liking, following, and commenting below if you haven't already. Obviously, join me on some of those other platforms, whichever works best for you, and don't forget to interact. And I'm just super thankful to be able to work with some amazing people here. I've been at this for about 3 years now in this space, and it's been a lot of fun. 20 years in trading, of course, but the last 3 years online effectively. So thank you again, everybody, for the amazing support. Deeply appreciate it. Either way, hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again for joining me here. And if you haven't already, trade ICP on the world's best exchange. $5,500 in benefit rewards. Use my link to register. CryptoCash.tag is the site if you want to become a better trader too. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care.